Okay, so stock number 4-43K. This is a 1998 Honda Civic EX 5-speed stick, 1.6 liter. This is pre-VTEC. Motor sounds awesome, but it does have a blown head gasket. It's puking antifreeze out the tailpipe. I'll show you that in a sec here. And I'm going to take it on a test drive to check the tranny. But oh, that sweet, sweet smell. Oh yeah. It also has supposedly a leaking heater core on the inside, but and the carpet's wet, so I wouldn't doubt it. But anyway, head gaskets are easy on these things. Couple-hour job. Somebody can rip it out in their garage, you know, in their own personal garage. You know, it's not. It doesn't need to be a shop to do one of these things. They're not very technical, especially with no VTEC or anything. But let's see here. So let's see what we got as far as the transmission here. Clutch is down there a little bit, but I don't know if these are cable or hydraulic. If it's cable, then it might just need an adjustment. But it seems to shift fine. I mean, the shifter's got your usual amount of slop. And the brakes need to be done. Yeah, transmission shifts fine. I mean, it's not, the clutch isn't like down to the floor, so it's not, you know, that terrible. It just does have a little bit of a, you know, there's a little too much play at the top. But with 121,128 miles, that you can see right there. Oh, no lights on, by the way, either. You know, it might be due, depending on how somebody drove this thing. If they drove it like a retard on bath salts, then it's definitely going to need a clutch. But if they were nice with it, then it shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, that's pretty much it.